To start off on my video, you have your washer fluid cap, wiring harness, pressure cap with expansion tank and line, low and high pressure AC line, and fuel system lines. Also, you have your AC pressure sensor, sound deadening, brake feed pipe to master cylinder, and other components. Located in this location, you have your engine mount bracket, engine mount itself, and high pressure AC recharge valve dust cover. Also, you have your high pressure pipe, other air conditioning recharge valve dust cover, washer fluid neck, and chassis rail. In the front of the engine compartment, you have your manual headlight aim adjuster, adjustment mechanism box, electrical connector to power and control that headlight, and one of your service covers. In this location, you have your timing belt cover and oil filler cap. Located towards the rear of the engine compartment, you have your fuel rail, intake manifold runners, valve cover, and other components. On the top of the engine, you have your 3 coil packs, wires to control and power that coil pack, intake manifold plenum, and vacuum feed pipe that goes to your vacuum brake booster. At the front of the engine compartment, you have your map sensor, cylinder head with built-in exhaust manifold, pre-cat O2 sensor, connector for O2 sensor, and dipstick. On the slam panel itself, you have a series of screws with washers. Back in this location, you have your pipe that is part of your air filter, one of your fasteners for the air filter, and air intake pipe. In this location, you have your 3 tabs for all 3 of your electrical connectors for your engine control unit, fuse box lid. In this location, you have your brake fluid cap with brake fluid tank, negative post of your 12-volt battery, battery monitoring sensor, harness, battery grab handle, and cover that covers your battery positive post. Also, you have your information stickers and warning information about the battery. In the back of the engine compartment, you have your sound deadening, AC pipes, and wiring harness. Also in this location, you have one of your transmission selector cables and both of your pipes that go to and from your heater core. Looking up from the bottom of the engine compartment, you have your other AC pressure sensors, oil sump, spin-on oil filter, cylinder block, and one of your drive shafts. Also in this area, you have your auxiliary belt system. The system consists of your crankshaft pulley, tensioner pulley, alternator pulley, and air conditioning compressor pulley. Moving to this location, you have your catalytic converter, post-cat O2 sensor, clutch housing, and transmission housing. Also in this area, you have your clutch semi-cylinder, clutch operating fork with rubber seal, and other components. Thank you very much for watching my video, and goodbye.